What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw, ink, and color Mickey Mouse from Fantasia. Let's begin today's lesson with a rough sketch. We're going to start on the top right side of a page and sketch a circle for the head. Let's start from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way around towards the bottom of our circle and go all the way around the right side. Now we're going to turn the head over towards the left side. So let's start from the top of our circle. It's going to sketch a line going across the center of the head, going out, and then back in towards the bottom in the center. Let's add another guideline going across from left to right. Now you want to bend the body out towards the left. Let's start from the bottom of the head. It's going to curve the body going out, come down, and then back towards the right side, towards the bottom of the feet. And then right here, we're just going to sketch a line going across. Let's add some thickness to the body. From the top, we'll go over toward the left, bend this out, just following that same curve, and come down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side, come down, and then bend that out. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. We're going to start from the top right. We're going to draw an oval coming down at an angle, and back up towards the top. Let's add another oval on the left side, going up, come down, and then back in. Now from here, we're going to block out the hat going up in an angle. Let's start from the left side of the head, curve this up and across towards the inside of the ear. And then from the ends, we're going to angle this up and out towards the tip of the hat. Now we're going to add some basic facial features. Let's start right in the center with an oval for the nose, going all the way around. And then from the top, we're going to add a fold, going across and then down. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. Just underneath the nose, we're going to curve the mouth going down and then up towards that center line. Add a bracket on the end. Now let's open up the mouth, starting right here. Curve down an angle towards the right and pull that back up. I'm also going to layer the tongue inside. From the right side of the mouth, go across and then back down. Let's add a fold underneath the mouth, stepping over towards the left, come down, and then back up. Let's go back to the top of the nose. We're going to round out the cheek, going out toward the left, and just pull that back in toward the bottom of the head. Let's go over towards the right side and draw the cheek going up around the corner of the mouth. Bring this down and then in underneath the lip. Now I'm going to place two ovals just up above the nose for the eyes. Let's start on the left side. Draw the first oval going up and then back down. Now we're going to leave a gap and do the same thing on the right side. And I'll push the pupils towards the top right, so adding a curve on the left and right side. And now we're going to trace the eyes along the top. Come down in the middle, go up above the right eye, and then just pull that in towards the top of the cheek. Now we're going to add a thick fold around the hat. Let's start from the side of the head. We're going to step down, going out, curve this up, and across in behind the right ear. And then we'll round out the top of the hat and taking out that sharp point. Now that we have the basic sketch of the head, let's move down and draw on the body. Let's start with the collar. Starting underneath the cheek on the left side, I'm just going to curve this around, pull that up on the right, and then bend that down towards the side. Let's tuck this up and in underneath the head. Now from here, we're going to bring the right arm across the body. Let's start from the bottom of the collar, curve this out, and then down towards the elbow, come down and then in towards the cuff. Let's draw an oval along the inside of the cuff, going all the way up toward the top, and then bring that back down. Now we're going to sketch the hand inside the cuff, starting from the bottom, come down and up. I'm going to do an overlap, stepping back, curve the first finger going around, and then back in. Let's add 2 more fingers. From the outside, going up and in. And we'll do that one more time, tucking this in behind the cuff. Now we're going to add a fold on the top of the arm, going across and then bending that down. Now we're going to move over and extend the left arm. Let's start from the side of the collar, curl this out and up toward the cuff. And then right here, we're going to draw another oval going all the way down towards the bottom. Let's pull the bottom of the sleeve coming in and up behind the body. Now we're going to place the hand in behind the cuff. Let's start from the very top. Start with the thumb going out and up. Round out the thumb and then pull that back down. And we'll draw the basic shape of the hand. We're going to go out, round out the hand, and then pull that back up toward the base of the thumb. Let's add a fold across the hand on the base of the fingers, and then we'll separate the 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom, round out the finger, pull that in, add the second finger, and then the third. Now let's go all the way down to the bottom and block out the feet. We're going to start on the right side, start with an oval, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. And we'll tuck the left foot in behind. Starting right here, draw another oval going out, and then back in. Let's add the belt going across the body. Starting on the left side, going across and then down in behind the hand. Draw that twice, just down below. Now you want to roughly block in the knot. Starting right here, start with 2 lines coming across. Now from the top, we're going to go around and then back in, going the opposite direction on the right side. Let's draw the bottom of the belt, going out and down, and draw that one more time. Let's pull the robe down towards the right side. Start from the top of the foot, come down and out, round this out, and just pull that back in towards the side of the body. Now you want to add a little bit more shape to the feet. Let's start on the outside, draw a smaller oval, just extending this out past the side of the foot. Add one in the center, just coming down along the bottom. Now that we have a rough sketch, we're going to move in with a Sharpie pen and start tracing out our contours and adding some detail. Let's start from the bottom edge of the hat. Just working this up towards the ear. Now that we finished inking this in, we're going to go back and erase our guidelines. Now that we have our clean drawing, we'll go back in with our colored markers and color this in. And as we get near the end of our drawing, we'll finish off with a light skin tone and a bright blue inside the hat, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Mickey Mouse from Fantasia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.